How to install DeepSeek on any Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can install or download the DeepSeek application on our Android device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing DeepSeek on any Android is a fairly simple process. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure your Android device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data if your internet is not stable. Then open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, this is the interface you will see. Type on the search bar and simply search for DeepSeek just like this. Once you search for DeepSeek, over here it might take a couple of seconds. So this is the official app DeepSeek AI Assistant. Tap on the install button and depending upon your internet and your device, the DeepSeek app will be installed and downloaded to your Android phone. I hope the video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.